Hello! We would like to take some time to show you the augmented reality features of the PE Civil Exam Review Guide Breadth. Go ahead and open your book to the registration page as seen here. To take advantage of these AR features, you will first need to download the free Total AR app, which is available on Google Play and in the App Store. With the app open, focus your device over the blue circle in the center of the page and click Tap to Scan. This is called a TAR code. Please fill out all of the sign-up information, including the verification code that was sent to your email and the unique access key located on the registration page of your book. You can now access all the exciting Total AR features. An overview of the features can be found on page 19 of the introduction, where you will see the 12 different types of TAR codes, 9 which are included in the purchase of the book, and 3 that contain paid, premium content. Today we will look at the quiz, flashcard, search, and tutoring TAR codes. We're going to start with the quiz code, which you can find on the last page of each chapter. Using your Total AR app, scan the TAR code with the X equals question mark in the center. Simply click Start Test to begin the first question. Once you have selected your answer, click on the Next button to continue to the next question. When you are finished with the quiz, click the Submit button to bring up your results. From this screen, you can also click to review your answers to each question. Moving on to the flashcard TAR code. This TAR code is located on the third to last page of each chapter. Simply scan this code to begin flipping through your digital flashcards. To view the definitions, click Tap to Flip. To continue to the next card, click on the arrow on the right side of the screen. The next TAR code we're going to look at is Search. This TAR code is located on the fourth page of each chapter and has a magnifying glass in the center. This code allows you to search all text throughout the book, and it will point out to you any page that contains the text entered. For example, let's search horizontal alignment. You will now see the complete list of pages where this term is found in our book. Lastly, we're going to review the tutoring TAR code. This TAR code will take you to a page where you can purchase tutoring sessions directly from your Total AR app. Once you have scanned this code, it will bring you to the tutoring purchasing page. From here, you simply click Add to Cart and then complete your purchase. This overview does not include all the exciting Total AR features offered in the PE Civil Exam Review Guide Breadth, so please go through your book and scan all the other TAR codes so you can experience their exceptional functionality. We hope this review of our augmented reality features has been helpful. We at School of PE believe your success is our success.